Welcome back to Kim's Creations. Oh my goodness, I have this wild color that I am going to use as my base for a Dutch pour. And this is by Art Minds, and it's called Citrus. Definitely a citrusy color. And with this, I thought I would mix in some Artist Loft metallic orange, some what is this one? Prussian blue by Liquitex Basics, Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24K, Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue, and last but not least, Deco Art Americana Metallics in Copper. So those are my colors, and I'm gonna see how I want to lay this out. All right, I'm just gonna go like that. And I'll do the 24K gold. Do the copper next. Those look good together. Iridescent green blue, Pebeo Studio Acrylics. Kind of a Southwest theme here. And then I'm going to top it off with the Artist Loft metallic orange. You know, I think I may put one more little bit of this green blue on here. Must be feeling my state today. Kind of Arizona colors. Well, except for the green. Popped in the air bubbles. Looks like I got a little bit of drip of gold on there. All right, got that out of the way. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit of extra paint. In and around here. This will just help the paint flow when I blow it out. Okay. All right. I'm gonna get my hair dryer. Pink Lady right here. And I am going to blow Well, that is wild. Really, really wild. Look at the cells and the lacing that's coming up on this one. I'm tempted to try and blow that some more. Not moving. So I am going to leave that as it is. I'm going to see if I can't drag this with my finger. You know, I am tempted to scrape this bit and blow again. And yes, you can do that. And yeah, I think I'm going to. So I am just going to take, what am I going to do? Got my napkin here. Just going to try and scoop up this paint here. Okay. And now I'm just going to dab it in there. And scoop that up and out. All right. There we go. Might have put a little much on there, but I will blow it off. In fact, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna grab my little pink lady. Blow that excess off a little bit. So how did I layer this now? I think I did so I just want to put a little layer in here. Helps if you open the cap. Blue. I think I did the iridescent next. Gold. Copper. And orange. All right. Pray for me now. Let me torch this. All right. Let's do it. Wow. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna blow these back. That is so cool. I am really glad that I blew again. That's it. I am just going to torch this. There are lots of colors under here, so torching this area will probably bring up some more of these cells and lacing, but let's see what we get. Yep, they're coming up there. All right, I'm gonna leave that at that. I am so stoked about this one. Totally stoked about this one. But let's bring you guys in for a close-up so you can see this beautiful piece. Okay, I gotta come around. Look at this. Look at all that lacing in there. And the colors. I am going to stop this video and come back and put the flash on so that you can see this. So 1 second, I'll be back. Okay, I am back and in the dark, but I have the flash on so that you can see the sparkle in all this. Look at that copper and the gold and the green, the blue-green. Oh, and look at that. Isn't that beautiful? The orange, and look at these cells in there. Just the shimmer on this piece is amazing. And I love how the copper and the gold blend there, and the blue that goes blue-green. It's just so, a little close there. Such a cool piece, and these colors, again, together are amazing. Now look at that light lacing in there. And those are the cells that came up when I torched it. You can see color underneath. More shimmer, shimmer. Shimmer, shimmer. All that webbing, all that lacing. So yeah, I am really glad that I mixed up that paint. And I love how that Prussian blue turned that little bit green and how it mixed right there with the green blue from Pebeo. Just really cool combination. All right, folks, there you have it. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.